Video is about an over acidic stomach or ulcers. Okay, what's the cause? The cause is acidosis or interstitial lymphatic congestion, and the body has become highly acidic. That waste is not being removed from the cells in the stomach region. Okay, also the acidity is affecting the pancreas, and the pancreas is not producing enough sodium bicarbonate to counteract the acid in the stomach. Okay, this means that the acid in the stomach will be more than the sodium bicarbonate, and it's going to burn tissue. Okay, so you first want to do, you want to stop eating any protein, because even nut protein, because it's, again, it requires HCl from the stomach, and HCl is causing the problem. You want to fix the pancreas. You want to go on a 100% fruit diet. You want to use maybe a pancreas, a glandula, and herbs for the endocrine system. Okay, all the endocrine system in the back of the head, in the head region, the pituitary gland, the parathyroid, and the thyroid, all need to be functioning properly for you to get over this. You have to clean the GI tract. You use GI broom. Okay, remember that the head sits on the GI tract, and if the GI tract is congested, well, acids can't get out, waste can be removed properly. So you need to fix that as well. Okay, small, frequent fruit meals are best. Use fruits like pears, mangoes, apples. These are sub-acid fruits. They're not really aggressive, and they'll help you clean the stomach up. At the same time, trying to get the pancreas to heal. Okay? When the pancreas heals, it will produce enough sodium bicarbonate to balance things out. Okay, so the goal is use stomach and bowel herbs, use Heal tea, drink it so it has really calming herbs that will calm the stomach down. Okay, you can take some aloe vera gel or aloe vera juice. It has to be natural, it has to be fresh. Okay, and you stick to it, and you see, 100% fruit diet, and use herbs for the kidneys. You have to get the kidneys filtered because the acids are not leaving the body. You have to get the adrenals to work. So use adrenal tinctures. Okay, use the five tinctures of adrenals, kidneys, lymph system, stomach, and bowels. You also want to avoid poor food combining. That's why I recommend you go on a high fruit diet. Have small, frequent meals of fruits like grapes, apples, pears. These are soft, gentle fruits. And then you also, if it's really bad, your stomach acidity is really bad, you can take a teaspoon of baking soda, mix it in water, and sip it through the day. That with Heal tea. Doing all these is going to help you get the pancreas working properly, the endocrine glands working properly. You remove the acids through your kidneys, your lymph will start moving from the fruits, and you should get better.